No.
All right, we got American muscle car versus Pakistani arms factory. Go. All right, if I lose here, this is a sign. America, we gotta stop invading these countries, brother. All right, they got baton power. Ready? 3, 2.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Mashallah. Oh, damn. Arab, come on, bro.
Allahu Akbar.
We're now in Dar Adam Khail, where illegal underground gun factories in a bunch of these alleys are happening right now. Oh, not even hidden. They're just right here. You can literally walk in here. Hello. This is cool. You can just come in and buy an AK-47.